Hello traders, you're welcome back to this video, and I especially welcome you to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, we are just going to be walking through how to open a TradingView demo account, all right, from scratch. Okay, whether you are brand new to trading or you just want to test your strategies risk-free, this is the perfect place to start. All right, so we're just going to begin with the basics. We're going to begin with the basics, and in beginning with the basics, you have to go to you have to open a trading account. Sorry, open a TradingView account, right? Okay, so you can just go to tradingview.com. All right, go to tradingview.com. Okay, so on the home page, right, I already have an account, right, but I'm still going to be showing you, the process to open an account. Okay, so on the home page, you click on sign up. All right, that is if, okay, let me just sign out, right? Let me sign out. Okay, so if you don't have an account already, you click on sign in. But if you don't have an account, of course, the sign up option, after you click on sign in, then you fill in your details, right? I already have an account, so the sign in is what is showing here. And if I'm to click on sign in, you can see if you don't have an account, you click on sign up. All right, you click on sign up here. Okay, now you can register using your email. Whether you want to sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, X, Yahoo, Apple, LinkedIn, you can actually sign up with any of the options that are available. Okay, no payment required. Actually, it's free. All right, once you are in, you are ready to start setting things up. All right, so now I'm just going to proceed into I'm just going to proceed here, right? I'm already logged in here. Okay, so now to access a demo account, we're going to use TradingView's paper trading feature. All right, we're going to use TradingView's paper trading feature. Okay, all right, so you head to the chart. Once you head to the chart, you can see what I just did here. You have to bring up this this bar down here. You bring up this bar down here. All right, you're going to see this interface. Okay, here's where you can connect your paper trading account, right? Here's you can connect your paper trading account, and so at the bottom of your chart here, you'll see this tab labeled under this trading panel, right? This particular trading panel, then you see this paper trading, right? So this is where you're going to click on. You click on that. Okay, you click on that and you click on connect. So just like that, you have opened your demo account, right? Just like that, you have opened your demo account. Okay, so you can now place demo trades directly from the chart. Okay, just right click anywhere, click on trade, then you can buy or you can sell. All right, trading settings, you can actually modify these according to your taste. You can modify the settings, right, according to your taste. Then here you can see the buy, the one click trade option is also available here. Just ensure that you set your lot size appropriately, and you can just click the sell button or click the buy button after you have done your analysis, obviously. So it's super easy. So right now we have already created a demo account. So trading on TradingView with your demo account is super easy. Okay, so once you hit the buy or the sell button, your trade is going to appear on the chart and in the trade panel below. Okay, here you're going to see your running positions. Actually, this demo account I have already opened it since. So here you're going to see your running positions here, your positions here for orders. Here you're going to see your history. You're going to see your trade history here, and then here account history, trading journal and all of that. Okay, so you're going to be able to monitor your trades right here. All right, everything you do here is simulated, no real money involved. So it's a safe space to practice your strategies. all right, to manage risk and get comfortable with the platform. Now, to manage your demo account settings, you can click on the gear icon in the trading panel. You can see this gear icon here. You can click on the gear icon in the trading panel. All right, here you can reset, reset your account balance. You can reset your account balance here. You can customize, your order settings and all of that. Change how trades are displayed on the chart. Basically, just you can do a little touch in here. All right. So one of the best parts about using a TradingView demo account is the ability to combine it with all the platform's tools, indicators, drawing tools, multiple charts, and more, right? You can even save your chart layout by clicking the cloud icon. You can actually save your layout. All right, so TradingView is a very nice platform. It's a really nice platform. Okay, so you can be able to take advantage of all the many tools that are available right here when trading with the demo TradingView account. TradingView has a lot of tools for analysis, analytical tools, and many indicators, many indicators available on TradingView. All right. Now you're ready to test setups, practice entries and exits, and build your trading confidence. Whether you are focusing on Forex, crypto, or stocks, this demo environment is your trading ground. All right, you can personalize your workspace with dark mode, favorite indicators, or custom watch lists. Right here, if you want to use dark mode or light mode, well, you can do that here. We've already talked about, in the previous video, we've talked about how to use dark mode on TradingView, so you can check that video out, right? You can favorite some indicators. You can see here I favorited some indicators. So any indicator that I just want to get quick access to, you can put it in your favorites. So all of that, different features are available here. Remember, consistency in demo trading builds discipline. All right, so treat it like the real thing. Okay, treat it like the real thing, and you'll be more prepared when you go live. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out on trading guides like this. All right. Do you have any question about TradingView, or do you need help customizing your setup? Just drop it in the comments below. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.